Good morning students. Hope all of you are doing good. I am Miss Garima. Welcome you all to the RKP online classes. So student, today's our topic is subtracting 3-digit numbers. So before going to start this topic, let's watch a video.
Today we are going to learn subtraction of 3-digit numbers by regrouping tens to ones in this beautiful forest. Look at the colorful butterflies on the flowers. There are 751 of them. Hey, see, 416 butterflies flew away. Now, how many butterflies are still sitting on the flowers? Yes, we can get the answer by finding the difference between 751 and 416. So, let us group both these numbers into hundreds, tens and ones and then subtract them. Thus, there are 7 hundreds, 5 tens and 1 colorful butterflies and 4 hundreds, 1 ten and 6 ones that flew away. Let us represent each hundred with a green dot, each 10 with a red dot and each 1 with a blue dot. So, the number 751 will be represented like this with dots. Now, let us cancel the dots equal to the digits in the subtrahend in each column, starting with the dots in the ones column first, then the dots in the tens column, and lastly the dots in the hundreds column. But look, there is only one blue dot in the ones column, and we need to cancel 6 blue dots. We cannot subtract 6 from 1. So, we regroup one red dot to 10 blue dots, as we already know that one red dot is equal to 10 blue dots. So, now we represent 751 with dots like this. Now, let us cancel 6 blue dots, 1 red dot and 4 green dots. We are left with 5 blue dots, 3 red dots and 3 green dots. So, we get in all 3 hundreds, 3 tens and 5 ones, which is equal to 335. Thus, 335 butterflies are left on the flowers and 416 directly. Let us look at the process of subtraction of these numbers. Step 1. Write the numbers in the hundreds, tens and ones column. Step 2. Subtract the digits in the ones column. As 1 is smaller than 6, we regroup 5 tens as 4 tens and 10 ones. Now we have 10 plus 1 that is 11 ones. Therefore, 11 minus 6 is equal to 5 ones. Write 5 in the ones column. Step 3. Subtract the tens. That is 4 minus 1 is equal to 3. Now write 3 in the tens column. Step 4. Subtract the hundreds. That is 7 minus 4 is equal to 3. Write 3 in the hundreds column. That's 335. 416 is equal to 300.
So students, today's our topic is subtracting 3-digit numbers. We can do subtraction 3-digit numbers by 2 types. One is with regrouping, subtraction with regrouping, and second one is subtraction without regrouping. So students, now we are going to discuss subtraction with regrouping. So let's take an example. Like you have to subtract 739 539 from 712. So what will you do here? First of all, you have to write in place value chart. Okay, write place value chart, ones, tens, 100. Okay, and start what number will come first, means what number will come upward. The bigger number will come upward, and start writing from the ones place. What is the ones place? 2. Here tens place at 1 and 100 place 7. Now at ones place 9, at tens place 3, at 100 place 5. Write like this. Okay, now subtract. If I subtract, start subtraction from the ones place. 2. Can you subtract 9 from 2? No. So what will you do here? You will borrow from the tens place. When you borrow from the next place, what will you do? You will have to regroup the numbers. So your step 1 will be regroup the ones place. At ones place, what number is there? 2. And at ones place 2 and at tens place 1. How will you write it? It will be 1 tens and 2 ones. Right. 1 tens plus 2 ones. Okay. When I borrow from the tens place, what will left? What will be left? 0. Because 1 comes to the ones place. 1 tens come to the ones place. So what will left here? 0 plus 2 ones, and here 1 tens comes also. Right? When 1 tens, you can write 1 tens 10 ones. Okay, now add 0 tens means 0, so no need to write 2 10 ones plus 10 ones will become 12 ones. This is the reason, student, why when you borrow from the when you borrow 1 from the tens place, it becomes 10, and when you add 10 to 2, it becomes 12. Okay, this is the reason. Okay, so what is left here? 0. Write ones, tens, 100, and write like this. 12 come here. Okay, now subtract 9 from 12, it will be 3. Okay, now come to the tens place. 0 and 3. Can you subtract 3 from 0? No. So what will you do here? Again you will borrow from the 100 place. When you borrow from the 100 place, what will come? 100 will come, not 1. 100 will come, and 100 is equal to 10 tens. And 10 plus 0 becomes 10. Step 2. Your step 2 is regroup the tens. First of all, write what number is here? 0 tens and 700. Write 700 plus 0 tens. 0 tens means no need to write, so 0 tens. Write. When you borrow from the 100 place, what will left? 600, and this 100 come to the tens place. 0 tens, and here I will write 100. Plus 100 is equal to 10 tens, not ones. 10 tens. When you add 10 plus 0, what will it become? 10 tens. So you can write 10, and what will be left? 6. Okay, this is the reason, students, why when you borrow 1 from the 100 or tens, it becomes 10. This is the reason. So subtract 3 from 10, it becomes 7, and when you subtract 5 from 6, it 1 is left. Okay, so read it 173. So students, in 3-digit numbers you can regroup the number maximum 2 times, at ones place and at tens place. Okay.